Now Hassan is going to do a flyby on this road. And let's see if it's cool or not. Probably will be, because that thing is a tank. We're just going to get a bit further away. Here. He says he's going to crash into me. I'm not going to let that happen. Okay. Alright, so he's going to go now.
3, 2, 1, go!
One more? Do a close one this time.
Yeah.
Go. So that's cool. Now we'll move on to the drifting.